Hi everyone, it's Raylene from RTO Doctor, and as promised we've got our 30 days, 30 tips, and today's tip for you is in relation to something that's been playing in the media for the past few days about 18 dodgy colleges who have had their contracts cancelled through the VRQA. So today's topic is, but I thought they had their registration cancelled. Today's question comes from some of the staff members at RTO Doctor, in particular Kaz and Anthony, who asked the question, but when I had a look on TGA, I saw that only 3 out of the 18 were actually cancelled. So how can that be? And in answering their question, I realised that there were probably more people who were wanting to have that question answered as well. So the quick answer to the question, but I thought they had their registration cancelled, really lies around the fact that the contracts that the providers had with the VRQA were with the VRQA, and those RTOs are registered with ASQA. So even though the VRQA is under delegation from ASQA to conduct state regulatory monitoring and they have contractual arrangements in place, unfortunately, what happens is the VRQA notifies ASQA through their delegation and their MOU arrangements that there is the potential for non-compliance, and then under the NVR Act, there are requirements for natural justice that need to be met by ASQA, and ASQA needs to go through and issue the provider with an intention to investigate or to let them know that they have a please explain. Basically what happens is the provider is then given a certain time frame in which they have to provide evidence and demonstrate why they shouldn't be cancelled. And based on that, ASQA will then take action, whether it be a sanction or the cancellation won't be sustained and so forth. But there is a natural justice process that needs to take place, which then can give the provider an opportunity to go through the administrative appeals tribunal process or some other form of appeal. So there you have it, today's little trivia tip fact, but I thought they had their registration cancelled. Often when you are reading in the paper that someone's registration has been cancelled, it means that they may have been issued with a please explain, but there is a natural justice process that needs to take place before their registration can be cancelled. And that goes the same with any contract, in fact, and you would expect that if someone's livelihood or their contract is going to be cancelled, that they have every opportunity to appeal. Thank you so much for your time today, and we'll look forward to tomorrow's 30 days, 30 tips. Bye for now.